Hi everyone, myself Prithvi. Today I welcome you all for my YouTube channel, The Game of Money. So in this video, I would like to discuss about the companies which is giving attractive dividends in these weeks. So I'll be telling my opinion. So how does the company stands with respect to the dividend what they are giving? So why they are giving attractive dividends? So whether we can invest and play a dividend trick. So I will be discussing my opinions and telling my opinions about the stocks which is giving it dividends. So the first stocks which is giving an attractive dividend is that the Petronet LNG. So the Petronet LNG is trading at a stock price of 236 rupees, so which is giving a dividend of 7 rupees per share. This November 17 the ex dividend it is. If you are buying the stocks on November 16, you are entitled to get that dividend of 7 rupees per share. So what is the dividend yield for it? It's the dividend yield of 2.9 percentage. Looks attractive, very much attractive. So they also give another in the next second half of the year, they also give 5 to 6 rupees of dividend, so which comes around 5% of dividend yield company which is giving. So presently with respect to the stock price, with respect to the movement what they are giving, so with respect to the financials of the company, so recently in the September quarters they are reported a very good results. The revenues are very much increasing. Next, the profitability is also increasing, but the main key point which you have to observe in the Petronet LNG, so their operating margin has come down when you compare to the previous year. So the operating margin is significantly down, so that is one of the negative point. With respect to the growth driver in the future, so the stock has a very good potential to grow. So many stock brokers have upgraded their stocks price to almost 330 rupees. So everybody is are bullish about the stocks because of the rising in the CNG's demand, and people are getting into converted into the CNG because of the higher cost which we can see in the petrol and diesels. So this is the first stocks which you can play a dividend tricks where you can buy today and you can take a ex dividend date tomorrow. So after that you can play a long term bet on this company also, there is no problem in that. So the next company which is giving an attractive dividend is ONGC. So ONGC is one of the company which is been in an oil marketing. So whenever the crude oil prices started rising in the international market, so the key beneficiary in Indian market is ONGC. So since many estimates, many reports tells that ONGC is having a potential to report almost 40 rupees earning per share, 40 rupees earning per share in the present FY22 financial year. So presently the stock is trading around 157. It's almost a 4 PE, 4 times the earnings the company is trading. So think about if the company started giving a dividend, whatever got as earnings, 20 rupees, 25, 30 rupees, if they started giving earnings as a dividend, think about the dividend yield what you can get, almost 20-25% dividend yield you can get. Presently the company is offering 5 rupees, 5.5 rupees as a dividend yield. So to get this dividend, to eligible for this, to get this dividend is November 22nd. If you are buying the stock on the Friday of this week you are entitled to get this dividend. And also it is the many brokerages have been upgraded its stocks price, target price to almost 190 and 200 levels, since the stock is having a very much potential to grab that upper target. Why? The first, growth aspect. Since in the September quarter the company has reported a very good stellar results. The results are very good because of the higher crude oil prices in the international market, which has given a key beneficiary for the ONGC company to report higher profits. So that is one of the very good point. So these are all the aspects which is driving the ONGC. You can also play a long-term view of 6 to 8 months of a horizon. So you can drive the stocks and get a better benefits of the profits of 20 to 30% in the next coming quarters. So these are the two stocks, dividend yield stocks, which is very much attractive at the current next week. So where you can play a dividend trick and get the benefit of dividend and get the benefit of the growth aspect which is going to come in the next future. So this is all about the video. So in the next video I'll be coming up with another one very interesting topic where CLSA told it's a time to book profit in Indian market. So whether it is true or not, whether it's, I will going to tell my opinion about that comment, about that article which has been published on Economic Times and Live Mint. So I'll be discussing that with all of you guys about my opinion. Please stay tuned, watch for the next video. I'll be discussing that also. So till next video, thank you all, bye bye.